Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. I hope each and every one of you are doing good, and today I'm here to show you how we can make a simple Rakhi at home with the materials that we already have at home. So without further delay, let us begin. Here I'll be using 3 different colored yarn, and each yarn I'll be taking about 40 centimeter in length. Now I'm taking the second colored yarn, which I'll be measuring and cutting. I'm taking about 40 centimeter, and then I'll be taking the third yarn. These Rakhis are easy to make at home and it looks good. It does not look the same which is available in the market. It looks different. Now once our yarns, 3 different yarns are ready, we will just fold it in the middle so we have a thicker bunch, and then taking the same colored yarn, we'll pass it through the middle and just tie it so that it does not move. Now if you want your Rakhi to be bigger in size, you can increase the number of yarns. Here I've taken 3, you can increase it to 4. It is just up to you. Once the bunch is ready, now we divide into 3 equal parts, taking the same number of yarn, and then we start making the plaits. Slowly. The plaits should not be very tight or not very loose. We'll keep the same tension all through. It is just like how we tie our hair. We'll do it carefully till the end of the yarn, at the end of the bunch. We'll keep a small piece of yarn ready so that we can tie the end of the bunch. It is very easy to make, and see, we can use the scrap yarn that we have at home. I like doing little things at home. It gives me immense pleasure. What about your friends? Now we are about to reach the end, and soon we'll be tying it with the yarn I told you to keep aside earlier. Finally we reached the end. Now I'm tying it with a small piece of yarn so that it does not open. or it does not get loosened up. Now we'll give a light push here and there to make it fluffy. After cutting the end, there, it is ready now. Now we need a needle and thread. Thread, it's better to take of the similar color so that it does not show. And now I'm trying to make it fluffy by pushing it here and there. Then slowly we'll start rolling from the starting point of the braid. Now all we need to do is roll it gently so that it doesn't get too loose or doesn't get too tight. Now once that is done, we'll use a needle to pin it up. Now gently we'll sew it up so that it does not open. Actually, we are just securing it so that it does not unfurl. We need to hide the ends properly. Now that's the right side. Once we are sure that it is secured, then we will cut off the thread. Now with the scissor, we'll just cut off the thread. See, it looks like a candy. Now we'll take about 40 centimeter of yarn again of our desired color, and we'll take 2 strands, and then we'll double it up. Now we need a tapestry needle, and we'll pass the yarn through it. Now I'll take the beads and I'll sew up the beads with the help of the tapestry needle. I'll be using 4 beads on each side. So 3 beads have already gone in. Now this is the 4th one. You can use as much as you like. You can use different colored beads as well. But here I'm using a single colored one that is golden in color. Then we pass the tapestry needle through the Rakhi that we had made earlier, and now we pass the remaining beads like we had done earlier. Here too I'll be taking equal number of beads that I had taken on the other side, that is 4 in numbers. Now moving the Rakhi towards the center, we will tie small knots at the end of the beads so that it does not move, so that the beads remain in place. One side is done, and now making a small knot on the other side. Friends, why not DIY these Rakhis this time and tie it on the wrist of your brothers? Won't they be happy? Trust me, not only your brothers will be happy, but you will be equally happy seeing your creation. Now let us trim the ends. Wow, look at that. So cute it is looking. I have made another one too. Doesn't it look like candies? Well, we can call it candy Rakhis, right? Thank you friends for staying till the end. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment, and to hit the like button if you have found the video interesting. And if you are new to our channel, do take a moment to subscribe. We'll be back again with more of interesting videos in future. So till then, bye bye, stay safe and be happy. Bye.